Hi, welcome to Appetize. It is me, Arika again. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vanilla with chocolate frosting cake. I have 1 cup of butter here. Now we're grinding the butter to make the whipped cream. We're putting 3 cups of sugar that she's putting now. It's not closing. Grind the sugar and the butter together. I'm gonna crack the eggs and grind with the butter and the sugar that we just put. And there are 3 of them that we have to do. Now we're putting vanilla extra in the.
How much?
We're putting 1 tablespoon. We have 4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Now we're gonna pour the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Now we're gonna mix part by part. Four cups of buttermilk here, that's melted, and we're mixing the buttermilk. Now I'm going to pour the sprinkles to the dough. Now it is ready to go into the pan. We already kept the oven preheat to 350 degrees. Now we're going to keep the pan in the oven to bake. Now we're going to wait until 30 minutes and check if it's baked. Now this is how it looks like after 35 minutes. Made it upside down to make it get it cool. Now we're gonna put this chocolate whipped cream on the cake. Now we added sugar sprinkles and now it really looks yummy. Just because we baked the cake, I am gonna celebrate my birthday.
Happy birthday to Arika. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Just because we baked 2 cakes, we're also celebrating my brother's birthday.